Hey everybody, you're going to have 15 minutes to work on this today. I need you to work the full time. The whole time. Don't come to me at 10 minutes and say, I'm finished. You can find more to experiment with, more to practice on. I need you to take the full time. When you are finished, here, let's look at this. When you are finished with your poster, or your invitation, or your flyer, I need you to share it with me. Get my face out of the way. So up here in the top right corner, it says share. The great thing about this, you can share with the other kids in our class too. So that's fun. But I want you to share with me. You'll click on share. You put my email in there, which you should know by now, ldavy@st251.org. And look, there's my name already, because Canva is used to sharing things with me from students. You'll click on that. It will come to me. I will look at it later after class. And this is fun because I get to write comments, and then I will share it back with you. So you can tweak things here or there or see my comments. Some of you have already shared things. They're awesome. And I don't want to discourage you by asking you to do more, but I just want you to get really familiar with this because we will be using Canva for your final research project. So practice makes perfect, right?